Hi everyone, Emily here, and me and my girlfriend, who is over that way, are actually doing a little bit of a project. We're actually blacksmithing. You can probably hear the fan, which is not really a fan at all, going off in the background. But yeah, we're actually going to see about making some steampunky goggles to attach to one of my hats or something. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing this ridiculous get-up, and I'm wearing this. Although a bit of my my gamer house is showing, gamer house t-shirt showing. But yeah, so this will be a nice little video to put up on the starting of the new channel. But yeah, oh god, you can see a bit of the fire. I mean, hold on, I will show you the fire. Okay, so this is the stand with the fire, and the camera's actually catching the crucible of the fire glowing. So that's the fire, and in there somewhere, I don't know where she put it, is the bit of metal we're forging. God, the camera can barely capture all of this. And that's the fan. That's right, it's a hairdryer. Ignore the pitchfork. Yeah, so this is actually happening. We're actually forging. How cool is that? I don't know if this camera's picking me up. Here's a bit of metal. I'm going to be quiet now. Oh. How cool is that? That was flat when we started. We've only taken it in the fire twice. My girlfriend's amazing. I'm hoping she can teach me how to do some of this stuff. It's cool. The camera's picking up all the little sparks. I wonder how annoying I'm being.
Not very.
What?
Not very.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad. Look at that, she's kept it almost completely straight. Like, not like grindy ways, but like straighty ways. I don't know what I'm saying. Is that cool? What? Back into the fire it goes. Kind of looks like a horseshoe at the moment.
Sorry.
It's okay. I got my finger in the way. Zoomin'. There it is. Stuck in there. Heating up. Whoa! Not as hot as my girlfriend though. Build me an army worthy of Mordor. There it is. Whee! And there it goes. You right?
Yep.
Now it's a case of precision hammer strikes. To make sure it is perfect. Although she doesn't need to get it perfect for me. This is apparently a do-it-yourself bic, which is just a clamp. You work with the funds that you have. So old rusty clamps work just fine, and also obviously you might have noticed that the anvil is just a bit of big metal. You would flatten that out and make it into a horseshoe. Hey, look at that. Getting there. Don't hit the camera. Get in there. Look at that. Nearly closed. Oh. This is making one half of it cool so it can bend, I think. Am I right?
Yep.
We just want the top bit to bend down now.
See, I should have wedged the tape onto those at the beginning so they close properly.
I wasn't looking at it with my camera. Look at that. It's nearly there.
I think this will just be a trial, I'm afraid.
Hey, that's okay.
Right.
Doesn't mean you can't use it for something else.
I know.
Scrapey, scrapey scale. Okay, so that first one didn't go exactly according to plan. Most of it went well, but we should have forged taper on the ends of the metal bar we were using before closing it off, and we didn't do that. So that's what we're going to try with this one. Maybe it'll just be a monocle. That'd be funny, a monocle. Here we go, we're forging a little bit of a taper onto the end of the thing. Ow. That hurts my ears with the ringing. Ah. Woo. Oh, yep. Brushy, brushy scale. Whatever the scale is, I don't know. I'm not a blacksmith. Emma is. Yeah, this is Sky, the forge dog. Isn't she so adorable? Sky, look at the camera. Oh, look at that little face. She's an old girl. She's a lovely old girl. Oh, look at her. So lovely. I hate to be so pernicated, but did you check to make sure you're hammering on the right side?
Yes, I am.
Okay, good.
Have faith.
I have faith. Doesn't mean I have a lot of it.
Piss off.
I don't know if you can hear me, but now we're grinding it down to a nice smooth finish there to make the thing being easier. Combining, I think. I don't know, is that what we're doing? You see that fire poker Emma's using that she stopped using all of a sudden? That's one that she made herself. Now I'm just talking about it looking at the fire. Go on, show us. See, look. She made that herself. And look, she put a fire on it. She didn't need to do that, she just did it because she likes it. So that's her little fire poker. She made it herself. The question is, how do you make your fire poker when you don't have a fire poker? Dun dun dun! There we go, bending it round the bick. It's amazing, something that was straight only moments before is now bent. Maybe if we could apply this to all those homophobes. See, this is how you do it. None of that Skyrim nonsense. just learned that when I've just learned that when Emma was trying to get the fire started, she got desperate and used pasta. Specifically, spaghetti. Hey, it looks nice.
Yeah, but it's not functional.
So yeah, we've moved on. We're doing a little, just a little oh, I don't know what it's called. Keyring, that's it. We're doing a little keyring for me. Because the goggles seem to be, we were having a bit of trouble, but sometimes the best thing to do is to move on and do something else if you're struggling. Listen to that hammer blow. Really sorry if you're wearing earphones. Rattling my bloody teeth, that one. It's okay, split for me. Now we've made a little keyring, and we're just cutting it off of the bit that we forged it from. Moving the whole shed. There we go. Cut. Fantastic. Everyone look! There's a thing in the fire, and it's my hand that's doing it! That's right, bitches, I'm forging now! Okay, so I did some forging and I made this. You can still hear Emma forging away. But yeah, I'm just going to drill a hole in it and turn it into a keyring. Nothing fantastic, I know, but this is the first time I've done anything. And that did used to be fully round, so, I don't know. I shall need to get myself more skilled up, I think, before I can tackle anything more fantastical. Yeah. Emma is now trying to make a little tentacle thing, so she's bringing the bar down to a point. I don't know what the tentacle's going to do. Maybe it'll be like one of the candlestick holders we've come up with as a design. But who knows? Now Emma is putting the curl on the tentacle. Very tight curl. Using the edge of the metal block. Good for some things. Right, so see this here. This is now. I thought it was going to be a keyring, but she's changed it. This is now a tentacle bottle opener. We're going to add some nuts and bolts to it and things later on. Maybe, I don't know what she's planning to do in terms of if she's going to make it a little bit wavy and thing. But we know it works. Because look, it opened this. She didn't tell me she was going to test it, she just went and tested it. So, but it works. That calls for a drink. Ah, it went up my nose. So there we go. That there is going to be a tentacle bottle opener. We already know it works in its current form. I'm going to just drill a little hole in it to allow you to put it on key rings. And when we get back to my place, hopefully we're going to order some little nuts to add on for the suckers. Isn't that awesome? And now we're going to finish up, and I'm roasting my backside on what remains of the fire. We're going to finish up, just draw some holes and things like that, and call it a day. So if you liked this video, give it a like, thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, click that subscribe button. and I will see you all in the very next video.